Hey, Russ doing Mono Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I bought the brand new Predator 5000 super quiet inverter. And I also bought a cover for it too. So let's take it out of the box, put some oil in it, and get it running. All right, I'm back. So I have it out of the box. I'll show you all the way around this thing first. And then you know what? Let's put the cover on it. Right, there it is. It's out of the box. And what comes in the box is 3 jets to jet it for different altitudes. Comes with a battery charger. Comes with your remote for remote start. Spark plug wrench, and most of all, propane ready so you can hook it up to your propane tank if you ever need to. So this is dual fuel right there. Propane or gas. That is a great feature. So this thing is electric start. So let's take a look at this. Show you this side. We'll pull this panel off. See in here, here's the engine with spark plug. Man, choke override. Okay? Alright, so let's take a look at what's on this side. So I did put oil in it, so we're going to have to start me putting oil in it. There's the battery. Okay? Starter. Oil fill right there. Like I said, I did put oil in it. And there's your drain. Just pull this cover right here. If you need to change oil, put a pan under it, drain it. Nice feature. Alright, on the top, there's a sight for fuel. I don't have fuel in it, so let's fuel this thing up. Let's see what this cover looks like on there before we start it, before it gets hot. I figured I'd get a cover just to kind of keep it protected. Maybe if it's going to sit out in the rain, maybe this will help keep the rain off. So let's see what it looks like. That doesn't look too bad. So I would really recommend, if you're going to buy the generator, why not have something to protect it from the rain? Or even, you know, just getting scratched up or whatever. Here you go. Get the cover with it. Alright, I'm going to show you something though. This here was disconnected. So it comes from the factory with these 2 lines disconnected. So you just need to undo the cap, hook that up. I don't know if you can see that. So this here was disconnected, as you can see the caps right here. So I just took the caps off, hooked it up, and that allows the battery and power to go. Okay? So let's try this. Let's see if it runs. Alright, I got the door open. We're just going to start this up just to see if it runs, then we're going to go outside with it. Alright? Just make sure the red little switch is on. And let's try the remote. Press it twice. Let's see. Let's go outside. and I killed it with just a little off switch. This is gonna be nice. So this little remote's gonna be pretty cool. All right, so let's go inside, run it. All right, I'm back. So I have the RV, the fifth wheel hooked up. Let's start it and see if it works. It's pretty quiet. So I'll take you over here. This is how it's looking up. Up to the fifth wheel. Sound. Hey, all right, I'm back. I'm inside the RV, and I've had the air on. I have the furnace running right now. It's kind of cold outside, but hey, I can barely hear it. The furnace right now is louder than the thing outside running, but that's because outside it's about 20 feet away. I'm impressed. I'm impressed at how quiet it is, and I'm really impressed that you can run propane, because if you ever ran out of gas, if you had to go somewhere, I could run it off. I have 3 propane tanks on this RV. I could take, one is dedicated if you want to run a generator. This model is ready for a generator, but I don't really want the generator right under where you sleep. So this is why I'm going this route. I can just hook up. I can hook up to 110 outlet or my 30 amp outlet that I've rent for right now. This is a 50 amp RV, but I don't need that all at once. Anyway, I'm very pleased. So let's go outside one last time. Check it out. All right, that is my video for today. I just wanted to show you the brand new Predator 5000 super quiet inverter. Not only does it run on gas, but you can have a choice of running propane, and I think that's pretty cool. I really did not think this thing was going to be that quiet. It is pretty quiet. I was pretty impressed by that. One last thing I want to show you is how easy it is to push this thing. It does roll the grass really nice, and it has a handle right in front where you push the button in, and then you can lift it up, pull it that way. So if you're in the market for a generator for your RV, this right here for the money, I don't think you're going to get anything better. So I really recommend this one right here. I like it, and I think you will too. And I just want to say thank you very much, and have a great day. And go get one. Thank you.